Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. So in this video I'm going to unbox these two packets. So it's basically whiteboard duster. It's specifically magnetic duster. So if you have whiteboard with magnetic features like magnetic whiteboard, so you can easily attach this duster on the board itself. So just unpack one by one. So let's first unbox this one, this duster. Let me just quickly unbox this one. There is the main box and inside this another box. So now you can see here is the main product. Here is the main product. Okay, so this is the main product, you can see. And with this magnetic duster you will also get two extra markers with this whiteboard duster. So let's first check that how this two whiteboard marker works on the whiteboard. So let's first, so this two marker you will get with this duster. So one is black and this blue. Let's just start with blue. So it's more the YouTube. It's very good. Writing is smooth. Channel. It's my YouTube channels. So it's very good. Writing is absolutely nice. So this marker is very good. You can use it. You can buy it definitely. And now finally the main product, duster. So let's check how it's working. How it can erase all this written data on whiteboard. It's not that good, it's little ghost marks still remaining. You know, you have to clean 2 or 3 times again and again, so then it will get clear. So main feature of this duster is this one. It's magnetic duster. You just erase the whiteboard, erase, and then it's solid itself. It's magnetic, that is why it's attaching with this magnetic whiteboard. So that's very good. I think you can consider this product. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Now it's time to unbox the second one. Okay, so this is the second product. It's the same product basically. It's also whiteboard duster and also magnetic duster, but with this smiley's model, it's looking very nice, cute, you can say. So this way. So now it's also will get attached with this way. So it's looking is awesome. You know, it's looking very nice and cute. So now look is great. So now test. Now let's test how it works. So first write something. So again, yes, the review. Unboxing. Okay. Now finally, we'll just try to erase everything. It's also working very good. It's working very good. The you know, the best part is its design, how it looks basically. It's looking very nice. So this way, these two products. So if you want to buy this one, so link is in the description, you may check it out. So thank you so much for watching this video, and like this video, subscribe to our channel for more such content, more such unboxing videos. So thank you so much and have a nice day.